What's good YouTube, it's your boy Man back at again with another video. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment down below what you guys want me to do next. Today we'll be starting the new game mode, like the new series. So I'm about to join the club, you already know. So as I already told you guys last video, we are doing AC Milan. The only shirt that matches AC Milan that had red and black is these ones. Is this one. So I'm gonna try to order one online. So my main goal is to bring AC Milan to glory. So I won't be doing like a lot of games one time and stuff. I'll try to do like 4 games, like chop it down, 3-4 games. So that's how it's gonna go, the new series. So you guys should let me know what players you guys want to do and what players you guys want me to bring in, or so that the team can get better, you know. Even though I have a couple guys on my head, you guys, this series will work if you guys will help me. If you guys will comment down below what you guys want to see, like what player you guys want me to see to buy. That's how it is. This is how it's gonna go, you know. So it's gonna be fun for me and it's gonna be fun for you guys to watch too. So without further ado, let's just get in there. So the main thing is I'll try to buy three to four players per episode. Per episode, I'll try to buy 3 to 4 players. Most likely I'll buy like 2 or 3, but max like 4. I'm not gonna buy more than 4 players at one time. 100%. I won't buy 4 players at one time. So let's get it. So as you guys can see, we go in, we start a new career mode, download the latest, you know. So intention is so this series can go a lot. Like I wanna do like over 100, something like that, over 100 episodes and stuff like that. So we wanna be a manager, get it up. I haven't like let's choose some black. Let's do this again. First name Manaha. Last name, yeah, I really don't do it. I'll just put the team that we're choosing is gonna be AC Milan, bro. Let's go. If you guys can hear that noise, is like we have like a train station, like in my building. There's a train station right there. So excuse that noise. So it's not me. Don't think it's me. So AC Milan. So we wanna be. Yeah, we want to be in Champions League. Make this 4 minutes. Make it duos. Make it. I try to make it. International job. There you go. Okay. What cup do you want to join? 9.7 million. 9 million. We'll go with the highest. Because we want to make a lot of bag, bro. We want to make a lot of bag still. So right now we made the club. This is our club. So you guys 100% you guys should let me know what players to buy. So right now I'm gonna look for players and I have to sell most of these players, except some of them that I know. Like I know that in FIFA they're good. You know, some of them they're good in FIFA. Like, I know 100% I won't sell Ibrahimovic. Rebic. Yeah, Rebic won't go. This guy can go. He can go. This guy can stay. And the goalkeeper can stay. Everyone else can go. Yeah, basically everyone else can go. Basically, everyone else beside Ibrahimovic, Rebic, and Hernandez, and Donnarumma can go. So let's go to transfers. First, since we have a goalie already, let's get it like a backup. Neves. The first guy that came to my head is Neves. Please tell me Navas. Oh, it's Navas, not Neves. What? Yeah, Navas. Taylor Navas. So we approach him. Yeah. Navas as a backup goalie. He's good. Yeah, he's good. As a backup goalie. Backup goalie, he's good. So second player, who should we get? Right now, I'm just going off top of my head. So you guys should let me know 100%. You guys should let me know what players I should buy, so that so the team can get better. 100%. You get me? Let's go to the league. Let's see the league play. Let's go. Let's go Premier League. Who do they have? I need some young players. 100%. This guy, Eke. You guys should let me know 100% what players. I don't know why I'm keep repeating myself, but because it's my first time doing this video, this type of videos too. Bear with me, bro. Bear with me. For sure we're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. I don't see something super good right now, bro. I'm gonna have to look for individual teams, individual teams or stuff like that. So let's see. We already picked a goalie. We already picked the team. That guy's gonna be substitution actually. So wait. I know. I just got a player in my head right now. Just got a player. Let's go to the league. Where's the Liga? Yeah? What happened? Where's the Liga? Something there. Not this one. Something there. We go to Real Madrid. I know the center backs they have. They're coming, bro. Ooh, that's a new CDM. That's a shout. Oh, we came in here for one reason and one reason only. Just put him up there. This guy's not even the main guy, bro. I'm just put him on the list. Ramos. Do we want Ramos as 33-year-old Ramos? Yeah, I just put it in. Who cares? Because back then they had the best center backs, So the best center backs in this era. Oh, Varane has to come with me. Let's go. So yeah. For now, this is how this is gonna be players that I'll try to buy. So you guys 100% should let me know. These are Keylor Navas, Ake, Militao, Ramos, and Varane. This is what I got right now. Four center backs and one goalie. So you guys should let me know the attackers and everybody that you guys want me to buy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please put you guys comment down below so what players I buy, because this series won't succeed without you guys help, So I'm really wishing you guys help me. Let me know what players to buy so that I can bring AC Milan back to glory, back to 2007, 2006, 2008. I remember back then. It was around that era. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what players to buy again. So until next time, see ya.